Now the first kind of pattern that we will be doing is Marubozu. Okay, the word Marubozu means basically a bald person. Okay, bald basically means what? Okay, this has no head or no tail. If you look at this, okay, if you look at the candle, it doesn't have a wick either on the top, either at the bottom. Okay, so this indicates what? This indicates that your open price and your low price is exactly the same, and your high price and your close price is exactly the same. Okay, so when your open and low is equal, and when your high and close is equal, you will get a Marubozu. Okay, so this is a bullish Marubozu. Okay, in a bullish Marubozu, it is basically indicating to you that this is a very strong bullish candle. That is, there is an indication that the price will go higher. Now here there are certain things that you have to take into consideration. The first thing that you have to take into consideration is that the trend before this doesn't matter. Whether the share was in a bullish trend, whether the share was in a bearish trend. Now like I had told you before, trend basically means the direction. Whether the share is in the direction of going upwards or going downwards, it doesn't matter. This is a very strong candle. Okay, you should never trade if the candle is too small or too long. Okay, if your Marubozu is very big or very small, do not trade in it. Okay, so when I say very small, it means what? That the range of the candle is less than 1%. Or if it is very long in the sense, if the range of the candle is more than 10%. Okay, so these are some of the principles that you have to take into consideration. Now, where do you enter and what will be your stop loss? So always enter once the price hits above your Marubozu. Okay, so if your price is going above this spot, okay, your next, wait for the next candle, see your next candle and see if it is going above this. Once it goes above this, that is your entry point. And what will be your stop loss? So the stop loss will be the difference between your entry point and this last point. Okay, so for example, if this is a 10-point candle, okay, samjho this is at the rate of 110 and this is at 100. So the difference between this is 110. So your stop loss will be 10 points. Okay, the same can be also taken as target. Okay, however, you can keep your target open-ended. You can put a stop loss and you can enter into the market. Okay, so this is Marubozu. It is a very strong indicator and it is most of the times correct. So if you find a Marubozu in the market, you should enter into that Marubozu. However, in the market, it is not very easy to find Marubozus. But when you find Marubozus, it is a very, very safe and a very, very useful trade.